Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Okay, so today you'll be learning about the simple structure of the human hemoglobin, right? Okay, structure of hemoglobin. Now, please take note that an erythrocyte has many hemoglobins. Okay, hemoglobin is a respiratory pigment which can be found in the red blood cells to transport oxygen, and it is a globular protein which made up of 4 tertiary polypeptide chains. Okay, so four tertiary polypeptide chains means consists of one set of alpha chain and a set of beta chain. Okay, except for fetus, which they have a set of gamma chain and a set of beta chain. Okay, now all these four polypeptide chains, they are packed closely together, okay, which give the hemoglobin a nearly spherical shape. Okay, and each polypeptide chain contains a heme group with ferrum ion, okay, that binds with one oxygen molecule. Okay, so since we have four tertiary polypeptide chains, so we have four heme group, okay, as well as four ferrum ions. So how many molecules of oxygen one hemoglobin, okay, can bind with? Should be 4 times 2, which is 8. Okay, 8 oxygens, or 4 molecules of oxygen, right? And this hemoglobin, okay, when it binds with oxygen, it forms oxyhemoglobin, which appears bright red. Okay, so here you can see a hemoglobin binds with 4 oxygen molecules and form the oxyhemoglobin. Okay, and this process occurs in the lungs. Hemoglobin has a quaternary structure. Okay, I'll show you in the next slide, with hydrophobic amino acids internally and hydrophilic amino acids on the surface. And this characteristics, okay, gives the hemoglobin solubility in water. Now there's some terms here that is related with the hemoglobin that you need to know. All right, oxygen carrying capacity, okay, is the maximum amount of oxygen that hemoglobin can transport. Oxygen content is the actual amount of oxygen that bound to the hemoglobin. Percent oxygen saturation of the hemoglobin is the ratio of oxygen content to oxygen carrying capacity. Okay, the ratio of, okay, oxygen content to the oxygen carrying capacity. Okay, that is the percent of oxygen saturation. The percent oxygen saturation is highest in the pulmonary capillaries, where the concentration of the oxygen is the greatest. Now, in the capillaries of the tissues, okay, especially active respiring tissues, where there is less oxygen, okay, oxyhemoglobin will dissociate, releasing oxygen. And here, the percent oxygen saturation of hemoglobin is correspondingly lower. Okay, so this is the structure of hemoglobin molecule, where, as what I've mentioned earlier, in one erythrocyte there are lots of them. Okay, a hemoglobin molecule has 4 polypeptide chains, okay, which consists of a set of the alpha, as you can see from here. This is the alpha chain and the beta chain. Okay, and each polypeptide has the heme, okay, right, which has the ferrum ion that enables, okay, this polypeptide chain to bind with the oxygen. Okay, and this is the surface, okay, outer surface of the hemoglobin, which is hydrophilic, okay, because of the hydrophilic amino acids. And this is the Let me change the highlighter color. Okay, this is the hydrophobic amino acids, okay, which is in the internal part of the hemoglobin, which gives the characteristics of the hydrophobic the hemoglobin. So that's it about the structure of the hemoglobin. Thank you for watching. Bye.